iPhone 15 Pro release date, 15 Pro Max price, full specifications, and latest news. The new series of Apple iPhone is making its launch soon in the technological market. Ever since the launch of the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro in September 2022, the tech geeks have been assuming the iPhone 15 to launch in September 2023 with all new iPhone 15 features and specifications. Apple brand hosts the annual event for the launch of the latest series of their Apple phones named as the iPhones. All the tech geeks can see all new features which are being introduced in the new series of the Apple iPhone 15, which will be seen in the launch event of Apple brand, which is likely to be hosted in September 2023. Major changes will be seen in iPhone 15 features along with the latest specifications. Many viewers have been looking for the announcement of the iPhone 15 Pro launch date. No announcement has been made, but it is expected to be out mid of September 2023. The new iPhone 15 is expected to be more than $1,000 in cost. In this post, one will be able to find the latest information on the newly launched iPhone. iPhone 15 Pro features. The Type-C USB cable port will be made available like not seen in any of previous phones. The new launch will come with a bigger battery, making it more durable. The internal storage will be of 8 GB and the phone will come in storage varying from 128 GB, 256 GB and 512 GB. The latest iPhone 15 launch will have a titanium body having the screen size starting from 6.10 inches. The phone will have 12 MP of camera quality. A 17 Bionic chip fitted inside 15 and 15 Pro models. The iPhone 15 can be seen with the curved edges from all the sides with solid buttons. The phones will support the latest 5G connections. So, as per the latest rumors of new iPhone 15 features will be seen with enhanced technology. As of the iPhone 15 Pro rumors, people will see thinner bezels and thicker camera bumps. Apple iPhone 15 Ultra will be the costliest phone for the Apple iPhone version of the 15 variant. The iPhone 15 will have the USB Type-C charging cable, which has not been seen in any of the previous series. Also, iPhone 15 will have the titanium body along with different styles of camera bumps at the back. The Pro models will come with greater storage capacity and increased RAM. The tech geeks can also expect the iPhone 15 models with the periscope-style telephoto lens in it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.